Guys, Notl here, and today I'm going to be picking, or at least trying to pick, a lock from Mr. Dennis Broussard. This one's called Roller. As you can see, key works. I really need to get a kick holder for my vise, but you know how it is. Let's see if we can get this guy open. I haven't got him open yet on camera. I haven't got him open at all. So, let's see here. Excuse my fingers for being dirty. I just finished reassembling a Dom IX10 and it was quite dirty. I know you guys would probably say something about it, but pin 1 here I can already see is a pin and pin, so I'm expecting some weird feedback. Trying with light tension too. Haven't really been posting, but plan to again. Not getting much back there. Let's actually switch to my good old decap lifter. No, that's too thick. A bit of rotation there. Lots of noise. Very crunchy lock. That's because of the pin and pins here. Okay, the deep fall set now. I don't know if you guys can see that. I'll make sure that the camera's really. Now let's find which pin's gonna give us some rotation. Even more of a set. Ooh. I'm thinking. Look how deep of a fall set I could take my pick out here. Make sure that's really cranked down. And there we go. Wow, I can't believe I opened that. Okay, let's keep this guy in frame here. So as you can see, it is unlocked. So go ahead and relock it again. Put that right there. Get our pinning tray here. Keep that there. Make sure I'm frame. Turned off autofocus, of course, without remembering. That's true. Okay. Let's grab this guy. Let's grab a shim. Always shim. #1 rule. So that's the bidding for this guy. Let's turn him. Slide this guy up top. Is he gonna fit? Okay. So what's what we got here? So pin 1, pin and pin, pin 2, also pin and pin 3. Oh, wow. Dennis, your pin work is unmatched. Okay. As we can see, all threaded. No mercy for Mr. Brassard on this one. Okay, let's go ahead here and show that these are pin and pin. I didn't think I was going to pick a lock today on camera, but that was number... No. Okay. So there's our bottom, our key pins. Now let's go ahead and gut this guy from the top now. Pin 1. Very weak springs. Very weak. Looks like they've actually been cut in half. Steel pins are rated on 3. Yeah, these are all very... They're half-cut springs. Interesting. Interesting. So this lock, I guess, was designed to have very weak springs, and I felt that. It felt very weird. He's actually taken a steel pin, regular one, cut it in half. Another pin and pin there on the top. Dennis, you really tried to get me here, eh? Wow. And there's the last. Okay, Mr. Dennis. Thank you for the lock. We'll zoom in here so you guys can take a good look at the pin work. Really admire Dennis's work here. And that's Dennis Brassard's roller, picked and gutted on camera. Thanks guys for watching. Hope you guys have a great day, and remember to donate to the LPU charity raffle. Thank you very much.